Hey, what's up? Dean, Sear Performance, and we are at the shop. That's where we always are. Uh, Took a picture. Just went over and shut the door, but we got Mike's Mustang, the roll cage. So yesterday, got the dash bar, seatbelt bar, got all that in. One thing I didn't understand is these little diagonals. Normally they go like to frame rail on like the Team Z kit, the frame rail that you put in. These show it just poking over to the floor, no plate. Weird to me, but you know. So we questioned if the seat will fit. How I mentioned putting the bar up on top, the seat will not fit. So I ended up putting the seat in and kind of fiddling around, and this is what I came up with. Put it on the floor. Could always go under the car and run a bar from here, loop it under the drive shaft into that side of the tunnel over there. Then it'll tie the two sides in. Or we could do a bar up and over, something. But for now, this is what this cage is. So it's got plenty of room to sit on the seat. You know, your leg will be a little bit uncomfortable on that bar, but it won't be horrible. I tried to give it as much room as I could. So I got that in. And then I started working on the door bars and getting them placed. I got it just under the seatbelt bar. And I got everything welded in. Then I let this bar fully cool, and I sawzalled it there first. And the bar sprung a little bit, about half the distance of the bar, so maybe 3/4 of an inch. It sprung down a little, which is fine. Came up here, cut it as far as I could, and all I did was just kind of aim the hinge just a hair up with this bar on it. So got the two pieces fit in there, tacked real quick. I cut this bar down that I cut out, ground the bevel on it, because these come with a bevel, so it gives it more of a flatter weld. And the bolt is in, pin comes out, pin is hot, and then the bar will roll out. There's going to be an issue. We are going to hit the door when we shut it. I tried to give him as much. Yeah, I just welded this. It's really hot, so you guys be careful. Damn, the pin's hot too. It's a great video. Great. Beat it in. Beat it in because it's too hot. Hey-ya. Okay, we're going to leave that there to cool off. But you can see when you shut the door, we are going to hit the door panel. So probably it's about the width of the bar. So we're going to have to notch the door panel. It's pretty much the only way to do it. Which is not a big deal. There shouldn't be anything in the door panel. I'm going to try and stay away from the screw, if it's even in there. Yep, it's in there. So I'll try and stay away from the screw and just come on the angle where it wants to be. Try and stay away from the switch. I should be all right. Yeah, I should be fine. So notch that section out and off we go, as I drop the bar inside the car now because it's too daggone hot. It's still hot. Anyways, the pin, you saw the pin comes out easy, so the pin goes in easy. I didn't put the nut on the bottom because it's a nylon lock nut. I lost it, apparently. No, there it is. And if I put it on, I already know that bolt is molten hot, so it'll just melt the plastic out and it'll be useless. So it's late in the day. Got George's Ranger up here. He's going to be bringing it out to Texas to his son, who graduated Air Force Academy, I believe. So congrats to him. So he's going to be bringing this out to his son, and he's got a power steering leak, which I believe you can see it goes all the way up, goes all over everything. That switch right there, you can see it's kind of blown apart, and that looks, to me, that looks like the source of the leak. I don't know what that thing is, like a power steering sensor something. So I'm gonna fix that for him. I don't have a code scanner for a check engine. I'm not a mechanic, but I will help him out and swap out that sensor for him. Everything else looks pretty good on the truck. So his kid's getting a pretty cool truck. Not like Jonathan's, and it has an aluminum drive shaft. Huh. So gonna have to look into getting some Ford Ranger drive shafts. Yes, sir. But yeah, so that is it for today. It's Saturday. It is getting warm in here. It's 5 o'clock roughly. I'm starving. So I'm gonna head out of here, head home, upload this video, and chill out on my Sunday. Hopefully, maybe, probably won't. But appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Leave me a comment on something. I don't know, anything. Have a good weekend.